PR for Amazon India. Before we get started, you are at the Amazon Home and Kitchen Arena. जो आप देख सकते हैं, this is just 0.001% of the products that we have in India's favorite and most preferred online marketplace. We have a small surprise for you, and I am now going to call on stage KN Srikanth. He is the director for the home and kitchen business, one of the biggest and most popular businesses that we have in Amazon India. And before we do, KN, the stage is all yours.
Thank you. A very, very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for joining us in the Amazon Home, Kitchen and Outdoors Experience Zone. Very excited to be in the city of Chandigarh, known for its beautiful city architecture, greenery, lovely city to be here. My name is Srikanth. I'm a director at Amazon. I am responsible for the home, kitchen and outdoors category. And the reason I'm here today is to share some of the progress and growth in the category. Very excited to let you all know that Punjab is one of the leading states for us in terms of growth, driving a 30% YOY growth in the first quarter this year. The city of Chandigarh is very special, and it's one of the fastest growing cities for Amazon and a very important market for us. As you would all know, Ludhiana, Patiala, all these are manufacturing hubs for several products that is core to my category, home, kitchen and outdoors. Let me talk a little bit about what is home, kitchen and outdoors. Just to simplify this for you, how should you think of it? Of course, the experience zone is there. I'm sure you've seen it or you will certainly see it at the end of this event. If you think of your house, if it's a 2-bedroom house, let's say, right? You look at your basement, you have your vehicles parked there. We have something. You can buy vehicles as well as parts, lubricants, accessories, etc. You move to your living room, all your living room furniture, your sofas, your center table, your coffee table, your curtains, cushions, home decor, wall hangings, that's home, kitchen and outdoors for you. Move to your bedroom, your wardrobes, your cot, your mattress, your bedding, your curtains, that's home, kitchen and outdoors again. You move to your kitchen tap, your kitchen sink, all your kitchen appliances. Take a toaster, take a coffee maker, your pressure cooker, your gas stove, everything is part of home, kitchen and outdoors. Go to your bathroom, including your bath partitions, tiles for your bathroom, all your bathroom fittings, your taps, sinks, wash basins, everything is part of home, kitchen and outdoors. If you have a small garden in your balcony, you can buy green plants, you can buy manure, you can buy seeds, live plants, flowering plants. That's part of home, kitchen and outdoors. If you are a small business, say you are a small hospital, you're a doctor, you run a clinic, etc. You can buy stuff for your clinic as well as you treat your patients. We sell some exciting, surprising products like X-ray paper, X-ray machines, stethoscopes. That's part of the same category. So it's a wide category. Just sit and think about it in your house. Everything you look at, this is the destination. And hence very happy to again share that Amazon.in is the most preferred, most loved and most visited e-commerce website in India today. And I wanted to come and share this exciting news in person with all of you. Customer experience remains at the heart of what we do as we enable sellers to list their products on Amazon, reach it to customers across the country, it is very, very important that the customer buying journey, from the time you start considering कि कौन सी चीज़ खरीदना है, right? ये वाला वैक्यूम क्लीनर खरीदे कि वो वाला, then you can compare the products for features, pricing, उसके बाद आप खरीद सकते हो. We work on that buying experience to make sure you have a very seamless experience. उसके बाद you have to pay for the product. There are many options using which you can pay. Obviously many instruments to pay. You can pay on EMIs. Our sellers bring some great offers, every now and then, and on host of products, millions of products, great pricing by our sellers through the year. So anything in your house you think about, you know what the destination is. As a customer, you can even get credit up to 60,000 rupees on Amazon Pay later, and you can pay it in 45 days. So all these are important features when you consider a product to buying a product. अभी बात करेंगे थोड़ा इनोवेशन, नई चीज़ें जो हम लाते हैं कस्टमर के लिए. हमें कस्टमर से फीडबैक मिला कि कैन वी बाई पेंट्स ऑनलाइन, हम अपना घर खुद पेंट करेंगे. एक वॉल है हमारे रूम में, हम खुद पेंट करेंगे, तो कैन अमेजॉन इनेबल इट. सो हमने बहुत सोचा इसके बारे में, प्लान किया. वी लॉन्च्ड पेंट्स एज अ कैटेगरी. यू कैन बाय अक्रॉस 10,000 शेड्स ऑफ पेंट्स. देयर इज अ पेंट कैलकुलेटर. जब आप पेंट्स लेने के लिए जाते हो, व्हाट्स द बिग क्वेश्चन इन योर माइंड कि कितना खरीदना चाहिए, राइट? देयर इज अ पेंट कैलकुलेटर. सो इफ यू हैव एन एस्टिमेट ऑफ दिस इज द साइज ऑफ द वॉल, दिस इज द साइज ऑफ द रूम, देन द पेंट कैलकुलेटर विल टेल यू कि आपको ये 3 लीटर खरीदना पड़ेगा, ये वाला कलर 2 लीटर खरीदना पड़ेगा. नॉट जस्ट दैट, एक्सेसरीज विद इट, कौन सा पेंट ब्रश, कौन सा थिनर, और क्या ऐड करना चाहिए, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल राइट देयर. Electric vehicles was a category we launched, and again very pleasantly surprised with the response we've seen even in Punjab, where customers have shown their love for nature and responsible, for the world. Very happy with the response of customers buying electric vehicles on Amazon. Solar is another category. So you can decide to buy solar panels on Amazon. You can light up your house and other power needs within your house. हमने ये launch किया. We looked at customer experience and we said, it's not just enough if we enable you to buy, let's say, a fan or a geyser or any of these. Who will install them? We solved that problem. Even if you think of a wall hanging, आप अपना living room के लिए एक wall piece खरीदते हो, you have to nail it to the wall. It is cumbersome, you may not get it right. So we started what is called the installation service. Value added services में installation Amazon आगे कर दिया. Looking at more than 50,000 customers took benefit of the installation and other allied services in the state of Punjab. तो हमने यहाँ पे in-house services start किया, both in Ludhiana and Chandigarh. We started our installation services. So your fans and all these kind of products can get installed through Amazon. Going back to what do you get as a Prime customer? More than 40 lakh products delivered in a single day across the country. And Prime customers get and if you have a co-branded credit card with ICICI Bank, you get a 5% off on every single purchase, no limit. Even if you're not a Prime customer but still own that credit card, you get a 3% off every single time. So we continue to work on these customer experiences, make the buying journey easier, simpler and exciting. We also want to make sure we promote the local sellers. I spoke earlier about this state being the manufacturing hub for a host of products, sporting goods, textile. And so to enable that, we work very closely with manufacturers in these places, and A sporting goods manufacturer sitting in Ludhiana can reach the product to a customer buying in Bangalore in one day. That's the beauty and strength that Amazon brings to the table. And we continue to work on this, continue to enable this across the board. Ritik spoke about a surprise, and so I'm very happy to introduce one such large manufacturer based out of Jalandhar. Very, very happy to invite Mr. Kshitij Vij, the Managing Director of the Managing Director of Status Contract. He has been, Kshitij, welcome. He has been working with us since 2016 and has launched a range of products from bedspreads to blankets to doormats, foot mats, and brings exciting new range of products and highest quality products to our customers shipped across the country. Kshitij, very happy to have you here. Thank you so much for the partnership and being one of our premier sellers on Amazon.in.
Thank you, Ken. Thank you so very much. I'm Kshitij and I'm the owner of Sheetal Groups. We are pioneer in making all type of home furnishing goods, and we have an association with Amazon from 2016. It's been a great journey. We have learned a lot how to serve customers, what our customers' demands. And the beautiful part is that year on year we are growing 3x with Amazon. It is giving us immense information, guidance, and new trends. And the best part is that we are innovating with new technologies, new colors, new customer demands, so that my customers or our customers can have a great experience buying from Amazon. Thank you, Ken, for that support and trust on us, and we'll keep working together for a long-term relationship. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate this. One such exciting product that we wanted to showcase in this forum, the new spring-summer latest collection launched on Amazon just a few days back. It's shown exclusively to this group and brought alive by Kshitij and his team. Really excited, to bring such high quality and very sharply priced, and any part of the country it will reach in 1 or 2 days to customers.
What is the price?
So great.
We are targeting anything between 500 to 999. That's the price point.
And these are extremely good quality.
You can see that.
Extremely good quality products. I was in his manufacturing facility yesterday, and it was exciting to see the technology, the machinery.
Standing in between.
It was awesome.
Thank you, Ken. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Awesome. So maybe just the final, to summarize some of the things, let me just walk you through this. Spoke about the home, kitchen and outdoors category, 45 million plus products, 1500 product types, or you can call categories or subcategories, serves across the country, 99.6% of the pin codes we serve. 30% growth YOY. We had a great extended winter season, so we were able to serve customers with room heaters, water heaters, etc. The category grew 100% year over year. I spoke about the installation services. More than 50,000 customers have already availed the services of installation within Punjab. That encouraged us to start in-house services in these cities within Punjab. great penetration into the smaller towns and cities within Punjab. This is the exciting part. 70% of the orders are coming from these smaller places. So we are, if you have to think about a seller in any part of the country and being able to reach to the remotest parts of Punjab, that's the strength and the opportunity we bring for our sellers.
Can we ask questions?
Okay. And I spoke about some of the B2B products, small businesses products like printers, deep freezers, etc. Some of the brand partners that we work with across the largest of international brands to many Indian brands made in India. Sellers own private labels and brands. We enable all this for our customers. Some of the very popular events that we conduct for our customers, giving them great opportunity to buy. The home shopping spree, the mega furniture, prime shopping days if you are a prime customer, home makeover days. During these events, sellers bring exciting offers for our customers. That's something that we do. Thank you very much, and really appreciate this.
Sir.
Okay. If there are any questions,
Yeah,
please,
fine.
yeah.
Sir, please come in the picture. So first of all, I would, there's no flattening since you're here, but you are one of the bestest customer support and customer care amongst all the online shopping,
Thank you.
right? So this is one of the prime good things about you. Second thing is Prime membership. When we shop for around lakhs of rupees, we've been doing it. We don't get converted to the Prime customer. This is one of the questions I have as a user, user of your platform, right? Second question is, you said that you go to the remotest places, but unfortunately there are certain places I know where your delivery doesn't reach. I can name a few of them. Jalalabad, it's in Fazilka, and some of the areas nearby. So your deliveries need not to, they don't reach there. So they had to ask it to certain other places, like they order it at our place or somewhere else, so that they can get their orders from Amazon. So everybody wants to buy from Amazon, since this is the bestest service, which I already said.
Yeah. No. So first of all, thank you very much for the feedback, and thank you for being such a loyal customer to Amazon. Thanks for the feedback. We will definitely take the details of places you mentioned where deliveries are not reaching, and we'll make sure our operations team is aware of it, and we will fix that. Sorry, what was your Prime question? Can you just
Prime,
repeat it?
like when we shop for multiple times,
Yeah.
there should be some criteria wherein customer automatically get converted to the Prime member.
I see. So,
You understand?
while I would love to do that,
Yeah.
but I think we want to continue to give the option to the customer to decide. What we obviously do is, see, because one of the important things about Prime is the speed of delivery. As I said, more than 40 lakh products get delivered in a single day across the country. So that benefit is there, and we want customers to realize that benefit. Not only that, as I said, the co-branded credit card is a 5% discount every time you buy, unlimited, right? And then you have Prime Video, Prime Music, so your entire entertainment is taken care of. So we offer this host of services, but we let the customers decide, if they want to join the service.
No, but there should be some criteria wherein, like, I've been shopping upside down multiple times, thousands of times. So there should be like when I cross thousands or 100 shopping, products, then it should be converted to my membership automatically gets converted to certain benefits, like which is called privileged customer, not Prime member.
I'll certainly take this feedback and pass it on to our Prime team, and hopefully we'll come back to you with a response.
Thank you.
Thank you.
सर चंडीगढ़ और पंजाब में अमेजोन किस प्रकार कस्टमर को देखते हैं? चंडीगढ़ और पंजाब की मार्केट है अमेजोन।
जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया, ये हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट मार्केट है, बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है हमारे लिए। And we are very excited with the growth. We've seen a 30% year-over-year growth in my categories, home, kitchen and outdoor. So it is very, very exciting. हम ये भी देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ के कस्टमर्स काफ़ी सारे प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट्स भी खरीद रहे हैं, whether जूसर मिक्सर हो या एंटायर कुकिंग रेंज हो. And then I spoke about electric vehicles. We are very excited to see customers ordering electric vehicles from Chandigarh and getting delivered from Amazon. I really want to thank the customers in Punjab, in Chandigarh, for the love and affection they've shown us, and will continue to work to make their buying journey better and simpler.
पंजाब और चंडीगढ़ में टीवी की डिमांड कितनी है ऑनलाइन आप?
Sir, I can't share specific numbers with you, but that category has been growing more than 50% year over year.
Okay, I have a couple of questions between Amazon.in and Amazon.com. That is point number one. Secondly, you are active all over the country. What has been your experience in this part of the country, especially in Punjab Haryana region? What kind of volume? Number one. Secondly, what kind of suppliers? Punjab is known only for agriculture. Are there any manufacturers? If so, which kind of manufacturers are coming to tie up with you?
Awesome. Two great questions. First one, Amazon.in serves Indian customers. Amazon.com serves customer in the United States of America. That's the simple difference. Now coming to your second and a very important question about what are the kind of sellers, manufacturers that are associating with us. I just introduced you one such gentleman here, but in addition to agriculture, I think this is a great manufacturing hub. Whether it's Patiala, whether it's Jalandhar, all these regions have been great for sporting goods. This is the cricket season. We are selling thousands of cricket bats every day that are manufactured in the state of Punjab, right? And they get delivered in one day, whether it's in Kerala, whether it's in Bangalore, or somewhere, down south. We are able to offer that service to the sellers where they're able to deliver their products across the country. And there is a continuous effort to engage with these manufacturers and local sellers and enable them. We have a product called Fulfillment by Amazon, जहाँ पे if you have a small shop, आप अपनी चीज़ें लाके हमारी fulfillment center में रख सकते हैं. जैसे ही orders आएगी across the country, हम ship करेंगे. You don't have to worry about how do I ship it, what happens, etc. We take care of that. So that's how we encourage. But to summarize, I think great strong partnerships across the manufacturing hubs I just mentioned, whether it's textile, whether it's sporting goods. This is the hub, and we are very excited to partner. Thank you.
सर आपका सेलर अकाउंट भी इसी तरह से वर्क करता है? सेलर अकाउंट.
Sorry?
Your seller account, like for the if I have a shop and
merchant. You are a merchant.
like merchant account. Like
She's a
I
merchant,
hold-
right?
I hold
How do you want to become a seller?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
that your question?
Yeah, that's right.
बहुत simple है. You just have to go to the website. There is a icon that says sell on Amazon.
I am into a seller account only. I have my showroom. Right?
Awesome.
So what problem I am getting is मेरी listing करवाना, and now you have your certain some of your like जो आप अपना कुछ रखते हो, कट रखते हो, right? जब भी हम कोई चीज़ सेल करते हैं.
हम फीस चार्ज करते हैं for the services we render.
No, actually there is a cut. So we'll talk.
हाँ. Yeah, but I just want to clarify so that there is no doubt about this. हम काफ़ी सारे सर्विसेज सेलर्स के लिए रेंडर करते हैं. एक तो पहले Amazon.in पे कस्टमर लाते हैं, जिसके लिए मार्केटिंग करते हैं, कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस पे काम करते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, कस्टमर शुड बी एबल टू पे इन EMIs, कस्टमर शुड बी एबल टू पे विद सेवरल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. UPI हो सकता है, कैश ऑन डिलीवरी हो सकता है. देन अगर आप एंड उसके लिए देयर इज अ सेल ऑन Amazon का फीस. उसके बाद अगर आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे फुलफिलमेंट बाय Amazon नेटवर्क में रखते हैं, तब ही आपको चार्ज होती है. नहीं तो देयर इज नो चार्ज. यू कैन शिप इट ऑन योर ओन. देयर आर अदर सर्विसेज लाइक अगर आप चाहो, आप बोल सकते हो हम हमारा मटेरियल Amazon का वेयर हाउस में नहीं रखेंगे, हमारे शॉप में ही रहेगी, लेकिन आप आके लेके जाओ, हम पैक करके रखेंगे, आप आके लेके जाओ और डिलीवर करो.
Let's start this.
Easy ship, it's called easy ship. उसके लिए, so that's a service we render, उसके लिए charge करते हैं. So these are some of the services for which there is a very specific charge. It's a very transparent one. It's published on our website. Any seller can go look up for their category of products what is the fees. It's all out there.
श्रीकांत जी मेरे दो प्रश्न आपसे हैं। पहला तो ये है सर कि जो नए उपभोक्ता जुड़ रहे हैं या इनकम ग्रुप्स जिनके डिफर करते हैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, कोई जो उत्पाद उन तक पहुँचता है और ठीक से नहीं पहुँचता है या टूट जाता है या किसी तरह के उसे नुकसान होता है, उसकी भरपाई के लिए क्या व्यवस्था है आपकी, कैसे आपसे उसको अगर प्रोडक्ट ठीक नहीं मिलता है अपनी तरफ से। सर दूसरा प्रश्न है यही, क्या अभी तो आप भारतीय उत्पाद रख रहे हैं इसमें जो मर्जरीन है कि जो अमेरिका यूरोप में जो उत्पाद आप देते हैं अच्छी क्वालिटी के, क्या बेहतर है वो भी इनकी जगह लेंगे?
तो सर पहले तो आपका ये सवाल था कि अगर कोई चीज़ हम ऑर्डर करते हैं और वो टूट जाए या कुछ हो जाए उसके साथ, या ठीक प्रोडक्ट जो आपने ऑर्डर किया वो आपके पास नहीं पहुंचे तो क्या होगा। वी हैव बेस्ट इन क्लास कस्टमर सर्विस एंड वी लुक एट कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस एवरी डे। तो customers always have this option to call up our customer service and let them know what the problem is, and our customer service executives will take care of the customer. अगर आपके पास गलत चीज़ पहुंच जाती है तो आप उसको रिटर्न कर सकते हो, अगर कोई टूटी हुई चीज़ आ गई आपके पास आप रिटर्न कर सकते हो, उसका रिप्लेसमेंट ले सकते हो आप, या फिर आप रिफंड ले सकते हो। So we make sure we provide all the options to the customers. Sometimes you don't even have to talk to somebody in customer service. आप अपना ऑर्डर पेज में जाके रिटर्न द प्रोडक्ट कर सकते हो, रीजंस वहाँ पे होते हैं, आप क्लिक कर सकते हो प्रोडक्ट इन ब्रोकन, आपको रिफंड या रिप्लेसमेंट आ जाएगा। देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन दैट टेल्स यू वांट अ रिप्लेसमेंट और डू यू वांट अ रिफंड, तो वो हो जाती है। सो दैट्स हाउ वी टेक केयर, एंड दिस इज अ मेट्रिक दैट वी रिव्यू एवरी सिंगल डे. देयर इज अ लार्ज टीम दैट इज फोकस्ड ऑन मेकिंग श्योर दिस कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस works. So that was your first question. Sorry, what was your second one?
यूरोप के और
हाँ, तो एक तो मैंने आपको यहीं पे दिखाया, वी वर्क विथ सम ऑफ द बेस्ट ब्रांड्स दैट आर बोथ नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल. तो देयर इज़ नो डिफरेंशिएशन. अगर कोई ब्रांड इंडिया में है तो वो ब्रांड के प्रोडक्ट्स आपको मिल जाएंगे अमेजोन पे. सो देयर इज़ नो डिफरेंस. इसके अलावा हमारा प्रोग्राम्स हैं जहाँ पे हम बाहर के सेलर्स, बाहर के ब्रांड्स को एनकरेज करते हैं कि वो आके इंडिया में सेल करें. एक एग्जांपल आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. देयर इज ए रोबोटिक वैक्यूम क्लीनर कॉल्ड इकोवैक्स. तो इफ़ यू बाय दैट प्रोडक्ट आपके घर में झाड़ू पोछे की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. यू एनेबल द प्रोडक्ट, लिव इट ऑन द फ्लोर, अपने आप काम करते रहेंगे. दैट्स अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट वी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड जस्ट अबाउट अ ईयर बैक. इट्स देयर इन आवर होम एसेंशियल्स सेक्शन ऑफ इट. तो ऐसे हम कंटिन्यूसली इनोवेट करते हैं. कस्टमर को हम और क्या नई चीज़ें ला सकते हैं वो हम देखते हैं, फिर वो सेलर्स को हम यहाँ पे एनेबल करते हैं.
सर इधर सामने लास्ट क्वेश्चन है सर, इधर सामने. सर you brought home decor, you brought kitchen appliances. When will you introduce good grocery on your website? It is not available at the bestest prices, and I can compare it with any other site, or for instance like Smart Bazaar. There is no much grocery options available on your site, that's for sure. I'm 100% sure about it because I've been purchasing it through. So it's very costly out there. So can you bring in something like which can check on that?
So again, sorry, but it's not a category I run, and hence I may not be able to offer an immediate response to you. But it's definitely an important feedback. We will take it to our grocery team. But I just want to assure you, even on behalf of that team, that we continue to work with our sellers and brands to make sure our customers get the best prices. It's a everyday job that we do. But your feedback, we will take it to the category and make sure we address it.
Thank you so much for
Yeah,
making it.
sir, I want to know whether Amazon has its own brand, because I think I have seen it on your website. Okay, Amazon also marketing things under your own brand, Amazon. Is either the same brand or recommendations?
Yeah. So we have both the options. We have some products that are called Amazon Basics. Then there is a brand that we own that's called Solimo, and then there are a few of these brands that are across the product segments that you see. But a larger and more important one is the private brands of sellers. So there is a large team that works on encouraging sellers and manufacturers to launch their own brands. एक example अभी आपने यहाँ पे देखा status का जो था, it's a brand that Kshitish has launched and has been selling on Amazon for a long time. So we continue to work on both the segments.
Sir, this side. Here. So my name is Rishuvraj Singh. I'm from Amar Ujala. आप क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ी पोस्ट पे हैं